In this video, I will show how to use an amazing reverse context extension tool for Google Chrome. First of all, of course, you need to have Google Chrome. Then, in the top right corner, we see these three dots stacked menu. We need to click it. Then go to More Tools, then to Extensions. Here we need to click in the top left corner the menu icon. Then at the bottom we see Open Chrome Web Store. Click here. In the search bar we need to type reverso context. Now, reverso translation dictionary, we need to add it to Chrome. Okay, it can read and change all the data on the website you visit. Okay, add extension. Okay, it's installing. Adding to Chrome. And yes, and it's done. Now, how can we use it? Let's close the Google Chrome store and go to Russian language website. For example, this is Forbes. And let's read the header. Смерть, бизнес молодости, как два чебоксарца построили компанию на миллиард и почему закрывает свой самый скандальный инфобизнес в России. So to use it, you need to highlight the word, for example, смерть. Then, then click right button on the mouse, перевести с помощью reverse context. Okay, смерть, it shows death, die, dead, dying. So смерть, it's death. And you can listen. What is business молодости? What is молодости? Okay, let's see. Yes, молодости, it's youth. Okay, как два, for example, like to, or in here it should be how to. Okay, so what you can do, you can choose a single word, or you can choose bunch of words. For example, в августе сооснователь тренингов. Let's see how it translates. Okay, в августе, it's in August. Where is... Okay, let's see сооснователь. Сооснователь should be co-founder. It's thinking, yes, сооснователь, co-founder. I encourage you to use this tool since it's very handy, and I believe it will help you to faster your language learning. See you in the next lesson.